Hi folks, we have one of the best looking chairs that we've ever had in here. This is a Quantum Pride. It's made by Pride Mobility. This is their high-end chair. This is a Quantum 4 front, okay? This is a front wheel drive. So this chair only has 4 wheels on the ground, just the way it's configured. You only need 4 wheels on the ground. It's a front wheel drive, so if you go outside, all the weight of the user and the weight of the chair winds up in the bottom of this wheel. So it's really good for the grass, really good. And the suspension is out of this world. You can see, look at that suspension for the front and for the back. We'll cover that in a few minutes, but this chair only has 6 miles, so it's practically brand new. It has the electric tilt, the electric recline, and the electric legs. 3 electrical functions. So if you need the tilt, the recline, and the legs, this chair has 3 electrical functions. It only has 5 miles, so it's practically brand new. So all the functions on this chair have to be worked through the joystick. So there's a button on the left side. If you keep pushing the button on the left side until you see a picture of your seat. So right now, the bottom is yellow and the back is yellow on my picture. That means it's tilt. So I can use the joystick back and forth. This is called the tilt. So when the tilt goes back, this is when the base is going to go back. That's your tilt. It's going to take the legs. It's going to take the back because they're all connected to the tilt. So everything goes back in one motion. So if you need to be comfortable or you need some circulation, this is a good way to do it. And the next thing I'm going to show you is called the electric feet. So the electric feet, so if you're 5 foot tall or 6 foot tall, we can adjust these foot plates. We can adjust the length of these foot plates. So if, look at that. If you needed some circulation, this would be a little extreme, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you if you were halfway tilted, what it would look like. So halfway tilted, you still would be able to get good circulation. So this is halfway tilted right here, okay? So you can see your legs are still higher in your body. And the last function on this chair is the electric recline. So the electric recline is just when the back goes back by itself. So you see the back going back? That's called the electric recline. And we'll see how far it goes. There we go. That's as far as it'll go with the electric recline. So you could be laying flat in your chair. That's the way it would look like. So I'm going to bring the back up and the legs down at the same time, doing 2 functions at once. So you would make the seat yellow. You would make the back yellow and the legs yellow on your picture. And we're bringing back up to normal driving position. Then we're going to look at the base of the chair. All right. So now I'm going to push it back forward to drive. And let's look at the base real quick. So you can see the way it's built. 14-inch solid wheels in front. They will not mark your floor. Tip wheels. These wheels are off the ground in case you do something you're not supposed to be doing. Large double frame wheels in the back. They're large. They're 8-inch, but they're real wide. Okay. You have a suspension for the back, suspension for the front. And that suspension is adjustable by turning this ring here. You can tighten up the spring or not, okay? You have an anchor point here to secure your chair. There's another one behind your fender. If you need to travel and you want to secure this chair, there's an anchor point here, and you have the same thing on the opposite side. So you have 4 anchor points. As you can see, you can actually see the motor. The motor goes up to the middle of the wheel right here, right to the middle of the wheel. No chain, no belt, direct drive to the motor, which is nice. If I ever had to push this chair, you can see it probably weighs 350 pounds. So I'm not going to be able to lift it or push it. But if I put it in neutral, so what you do, you turn the power off and push that button down. And what that does, it unlocks the wheel. You have to do both motors on both sides. Actually, you can see the anchor point here and here in the back. This is where you secure your chair. So, and you can see the suspension. If I move it down, you can actually see it moving here, okay? So what else do we need to talk about the base of this chair? Just a gorgeous looking power chair, that's all I can say. And this suspension takes care of this fork right here. Just a great chair. All right, so let's put it back in gear. And now we're going to turn the power back on, and we're going to talk about the seat. Okay, so the seat on this chair, is 16 wide by 18 deep. So now it's not a big seat. If you like this chair and you want this chair, no problem at all. We can make the seat 18, 20 inches. We can change the back. We can take the cushion and make the bottom larger. All that is adjustable here. We can do that for you here, okay? This is a swing away joystick, so you can get closer to a table. You can also put it on the left side if you're left-handed. You have foot plates that flip up when you exit the chair. Okay. You have armrests that both flip up on both sides. You have a headrest that's fully adjustable. Okay. So when you charge this chair, you'll take your charger right here and you'll plug it right below your joystick right here. Okay. And as soon as the light goes from mental block. From orange to green, your batteries are fully charged. Okay, this charger will stop charging when the batteries are full. There's 2 batteries in this chair and they come out from the front. Okay, so you're supposed to get up to 15 miles on a battery sheet. Now, up to 15 miles on a battery charge. That depends how you drive the chair, how fast you go, how much of the electronics you use. If you're in the grass going uphill, you may not get 15 miles. The distance is different for everybody out there. So, but that's just a suggestion. Perfect condition, you might get up to 15 miles on a battery charge, but they go a long ways on one battery charge. So this is what the chair looks like when it turns on itself in the house. So if you turn in a circle in your house, that's what it looks like. The back of the chair, you can see. There's little cylinders here. If I turn this cylinder here, it tips the arm up like that, okay? There's one for this side, there's one for that side. You can see the actuator here for the recline. You can see how well built this is. So let's recap. This is the Quantum Forefront. This is a front wheel drive power chair, okay? It has all kinds of suspension. As you can see, it's built solid. It has the electric tilt, the electric recline, the electric feet. It also has on this chair, I forgot to mention, right here you see a button. If I tap it, you can see the lights now came on the fenders in front, and you can see the rear lights. So you do have lights front and back with this chair. The button for the light is right here. So again, this chair has a total of 6 miles. It has the tilt, the recline, the electric feet, the safety belt, the flip-up arm, the swing-away joystick, front-wheel drive, suspension out of this world. So if you need an exciting power chair, this would be a really nice one to look at. So this is the Quantum Forefront. Top speed is 6 miles an hour. Runs very smooth. I can feel the suspension when you lean like this into it. Like if you watch, you can feel the suspension. No problem at all through the grass. It's a front wheel drive, so we'll have no problem. Plus all the motors, it's just a high quality power chair. This one has the electric tilt, electric recline, electric feet. It has 6 miles total. As I said, everything's adjustable in this chair. Just a really nice power chair. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.